right, hello. So welcome back. Today we're going to make words in the ought family. Now, ought is spelled with two letters. We're going to start with a vowel O. So get your word building mat. If you don't have it, pause this video, go get the word building mat first. Okay, so we're starting with ought. If you still have this video playing, that means you have your word building mat in front of you. So we are starting with O. Here's our O, and that says ah, ah. And then we need T. Ah, t. Read it with me. Ah, t. Ah, t. Do it again. Ah, t. Ah, t. Now this is short O. Okay, so let's start building words in the ought family. The first word I want you to build is the word cot. Cot. What letters should you put here to make cot? Now remember, I said a strategy you can use is touch each space and see if it should go there. So, k, ah, t. What should go here? K. We're going to use the letter C. So take your C. And now let's touch and read. K, ah, t. Remember, chunky monkey. K, ah, t. Now let's do stretchy snake. So stretchy snake. So we're going to say it slow. K, ah, t. We're going to say this whole word together. K, ah, t. Cot. Cot. This word is cot. Now I want you to change cot to the word hot. Can you change cot to hot? So the new word is hot. Let's touch and see if the sounds line up or if we need to change the sounds. Ah, t. Ah, t. I see that this does not make, so I'm going to put it away. Ah, t. These two line up. All day today, we're going to keep these two letters. What should go here? H. H should go here. So now we have the word ought. Read it with me. Ought. Ought. Now say it. Hot. Read it 3 times. Hot, hot, hot. That boiling water is hot. Good. Now let's change hot to pot. I'm going to give you a minute to do that yourself. Change hot to ought. Pot. Okay, you should get rid of the H. We don't need an H anymore. Do this with me. P-ought. P-ought. Pot. We need a P here. The letter P. P-ought. P-ought. Good. Pot, pot, pot. Awesome work. So let's go ahead and put the P back. And we're going to change pot to rot. Can you change pot to rot? Rot? What letter should go here? R. Ought. Let's put R there. Ought. Ought. Rot, rot, rot. Very good. Good job. Now let's change rot to dot. There is a dot on my paper. We don't need the R. Change it to dot. I'm going to give you a minute. Okay. D-ought. D-ought. So we're going to put D here. dot, 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 dot. Okay, now change dot to the word jot. Like, I'm gonna jot down a note. Jot means you just write it real fast. Jot. 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 What letter makes j for ja? J-ot. J. J-ot. Let's put jot here. Friends, that's another strategy you can use. Point and make the sound of the letter, and then point to our ot, or whatever sounds we have down here, and you can practice to see if it fits. Now let's read this one. J-ot. Jot. Jot, jot, jot. Great. Now I want you to change jot to this word. Listen to all the sounds. Change jot to spot. 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 4 sounds. Spot. So we're going to see 4 letters. Spot. Spot. Because look, I hear S in the beginning. S. There, I made spot. Let's read. S. Wait a second. Does this say P? Nope. Spot. Spot. Sot. Did I make the word spot? No, I didn't make the word spot. I made sot. What do I need to do to make spot? Spot. What should I do to make spot? Well, we need another letter here. And I hear that the letter we need there is P. Watch as I point. Spot. It makes sense. Let's take the P and put it right here. Spot. Spot. Spot, spot, spot. 4 letters, 4 sounds. Friends, whenever we make letters, I want you to listen to all of the sounds in the word. Okay? Spot. Spot. Now change spot to one more word. Change spot to tot. Like tater tot. Change spot to tot. Ot. Ot. I don't hear s and I don't hear p. That should be the first thing you think of. Do you hear sp in tot? Nope. Now let's point. Ot. Now for this one, I'm going to use the strategy I taught you today. So what if you don't know what letter it is? Guess and then follow up with your last 2 letters. So let's try it this way. I wanted to say t-ot, but I don't know what letter it is. Maybe it could be K. K-ot. No, that isn't the word tot. Or maybe the letter N. N-ot. Nope. I want something that sounds like T-O-T. Tot. All right. This is the word tot. T-ot. Okay, friends. Now let's put these letters back. This is something that we haven't been doing in our word building, but I want you to make sure that you keep this word building folder very safe. So let's take some time together and let's put all of our letters back. Friends, you don't have to just use this word building, this word work folder when you're building words with me. You can build words on your own. If you want to practice your spelling words before a test, if you want to practice spelling your sight words, use this folder. You can always use this folder. We're going to keep it in great shape so we can always use this folder. Good job today.